Today we will be creating a vector illustration uh, so that you can become familiar with the tools and the process so that you yourself can begin working on your own vector designs. So for today's goal, you guys are going to be recreating the same one that I designed during this demo. So it helps to follow along and then recreate your own. Try to get as close as possible to the original so that you are getting an understanding of how this process works. So what we're going to design is a house that has like smoke coming from the roof with a chimney and testing out the type tool as well. So let's start with the base of our house. I'm going to go with red. We can use one of the shapes here. We'll make a triangle roof. Drag it up. Make that red as well. Or again, if you wanted to try to copy the same color, just click on that one. There we go. We're going to make a chimney, sort of trapezoid. Sort of use the same color, good. Border color 2. Stands out. So we just made this with the pencil, this sort of our smoke for our chimney. Make a couple, make it thicker. So this is like 6, size 6 on the border. You can turn the opacity down so it becomes more like smoke-like. Maybe also give it a shadow. So we'll go 7 all the way across. So 7, 7, 7, 7. You can sort of see like there's that transparent layer. So the smoke has like sort of a drop shadow on it. Next we're going to add a window. We'll try the circle option here. We'll make it yellow. Make sure it's like in the center of the house. This little blue line here is giving you an idea of where the center line is, so it's okay. We'll take that. And then we will use the type tool. So we just designed our house, and what we're going to use is the type tool, and we're going to write this is my project, and then you will place your name here. So right now it says your name here. We're going to make sure we all have the same font. So we're going to go with Lily's Script 1. Make sure the font is bigger so we can see it. We'll go with like 40. There we go. We put it like right underneath the house, and we will give it a color of bright purple pink color. We'll also use the pencil. We'll try to create our own shape. So this is going to be a star. Not the prettiest star. So if you double click on it, you can readjust the dimensions that you have, basically the anchor points. That looks a lot better. We'll give that a color of yellow as well, this gold color. And we'll make that go behind the house. And so if you move that over to where like the edge of the chimney is, we're going to use the send to back option. Keep clicking on it. As you can see, it was moving down the layers over here, or you can just drag it to where you want it to be. So we want that to be last. There we go. So our star is currently behind our house. So this is what yours should look like when you are finished. And once you have it done, you're going to go to export. It should be like, looks something like this. Actually, we'll go back. We want to make sure we can see the smoke. So we'll make one big rectangle behind everything. And we're going to make sure that is in white. And we're going to move that all the way to the back. There we go. Now we're going to go to export. Now we can see our whole design. Good. Looks good. And you're going to save as PNG. And then you can either send this, copy the link here, or when you go to print, it'll show up. And then you can save as PDF. That works. Another option you can do is if you hit open tab, open up a new tab with your design in it. You can just drag this right to your desktop. It'll save it, or you can take a screenshot of your new creation.